Spectrum Technologies introduces SpecConnect, first introduced in 2014 as a cloud-based solution to take that field-generated weather data or sensor data and to create meaningful information to allow you to make better, more profitable decisions. These weather stations or devices can be deployed remotely and even from your smartphone using the Watchdog mobile app that works in conjunction with SpecConnect. You can see current conditions for temperature and rainfall. Here's a look at the SpecConnect experience. So once you log in, you'll see a listing of dashboard equipment, reports, maps, disease models, insect models when they're activated, and the ability to upload data to your SpecConnect account. If we click on equipment, we can see two different types of weather stations, and we have the ability to configure them and put them to work, setting the time zone, georeferencing them, or even setting the interval. If we click on the red lettering for the weather station, we then go to current conditions. We see what's happening right now, how much rainfall in the last 24 hours, or what the current temperature is. If we click on any of the icons, then we see a graph for the last 24 hours for temperature or rainfall. The real power is in the wide range of reports that allow you to look at your data in a lot of different ways. From a daily report that for the month and each day of the month will tell you high and low temperatures, or even an hourly report for the day. Here's a multi-station, multi-sensor report, so you can look at any two weather parameters and see what that tells you and the story behind it. Degree day reports, common, rainfall, when did the rain events occur? If you have an ET weather station, an evapotranspiration report. So a number of different standard reports that are part of SpecConnect. And if you need a custom report, you can generate one, and there's several templates that are available. So the ability to take your data and putting it into meaningful reports so that you can make better, more profitable decisions. Here's an example of the daily report for the month of September with high and low temperatures, high and low humidity, rainfall for the day and accumulated for the month. By simply setting that date parameter, selecting the weather station, and clicking on the report. Degree days. So you can set your temperature thresholds, high and low. The date you want to start, like the planning date. You can select three different ways to compute degree days: the common high-low average, the integral, which is the high and low each hour accumulated over a 24-hour day, or even the sine method. And once you've set it up with the dates, select your equipment, click on Run the Report, and here's what that looks like from the standpoint of the degree days for each day, and the black line that's the accumulated degree days through that growing season, telling you when you're approaching physiological maturity. So SpecConnect is the ability to take that all-important field or crop-specific data, turn it into information for better, more profitable decisions. This has been our 33-year journey serving agriculture, horticulture, golf courses, and sports turf.